How to log in to the Walmart Workday account. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you want to sign in into the Walmart Workday account, the steps are quite easy. First of all, open any of your browser of your choice. On the search bar, you need to search for Walmart Workday login. Tap on the second link which is by the Walmart 1.walmart.com login link. Tapping on it should take you to the page whereby you can give in the credentials for your Walmart. First of all, provide your user ID. After that, provide your country or the region and select the location. After that, tap on the sign in button which will verify your account. Once verified, you will be logged in into your Walmart Workday account. If not verified, it will ask you to sign in again using two-step verification, or you'd have to retry by closing it from the other account. Only then you should be able to log in. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.